welcome to school too.
Let me start going.
How this your bank for sir?
You know, since when I become a branch manager, you know it's not easy. Even for me to pick concept is a problem.
I understand. Just take care of yourself.
No problem.
Now you're the fine come now.
Me? Why?
You get what I want to ask you, no verse. Then you say your boyfriend they work, I beg no verse.
Oh, my boyfriend. My boyfriend is a bank manager.
You will move out of this
I don't do with small chicks like you get. I don't check me out now.
So you know me be small sheets.
I don't know. Sure.
Me and the toast you not agree for me. Show my age mini.
Hey.
Show my age mini.
What your age, bros?
You say your boyfriend is a bank
yes,
manager?
bank manager. Boyfriend is a bank manager.
Follow me, make I show you where your boyfriend they work.
This is Nigeria. Look how we living now. Look what we eating now. Everybody be criminal. This is Nigeria. Just
See your boyfriend. What? Jesus!
because I'm on TV now. Person will not get work.
Bank manager.
What? I hear me to me, by me.
This is Nigeria. Look how I'm living now. Look how I'm living now. Everybody be criminal.
School too. Naga we day.